Hi guys, it's Deb here from the greenhouse.
And it's Maya.
And today we're planting my big urns out along the driveway. So these are the urns and they are super tall. Stand beside it so they can see how tall.
I'm like 5'5", so.
Yeah, they're really tall.
Yeah.
Super tall, big, gigantic urns. And as I was just explaining to Maya, we're going to start with 3 cannas in the middle. So we have a bronze foliage one. This green one has a white bloom, and I think this one has a pink bloom. So we'll start with that.
So next we're gonna plant the chocolate cherry geraniums in the same kind of triangle shape.
Yeah, they're going to go around the cannas. And I will help Maya plant the rest. We're just filming the first one. Such a beautiful color. Yeah. So vibrant, and it really stands out because of the chocolate leaf. That's why it's called a chocolate geranium. That beautiful chocolate leaf edged in green. So we've got 3 cannas and 3 geraniums so far. Next is the petunias. So we've got 4 of the Bublegum Supertunias we're putting in. We're putting in 4 of the white petunias. I think these are white waves. And then we didn't have enough Supertunias to do 4, so we're doing 2 of the Supertunias in this fuchsia color and 2 of these ColorRush purple. So a total of 12 petunias. This is really big, probably measures about 2 feet across, so it takes a lot of plants. That looks so good already. Maya's down there doing geraniums and I'm putting the cannas in. Okay, so as we're planting these urns, we have 6 of them along the driveway. I put the cannas in, I'm like, wow, it's really wet. And then Maya put in the geranium, she's like, yeah, it is really wet. And I think that the drain hole in this is clogged. So we are going to dig it up and let it drain. You and your favorite shovel breaks. I don't know if I'm tall enough to dig this out, but we're gonna try. But it's really wet. Sounds like when you get your rubber boots stuck in the mud. No. It's like pretty far down there. It's like soggy, sticky mud. Okay, we're at the bottom, I think. Oh, there's a hole. Okay, I got it. I think I got it unclogged. How do we know?
I don't know.
Bottom of the pot, but we got to make sure that it's gonna drain. So I brought a bamboo stick to like carve it out in case there's mud, and then we'll just pour water in and see what happens. Should just come out the bottom on the cement pad there. Anything happening?
No.
Okay, I'm going to push the bamboo stick in again. Okay. And then I'll tip this a bit. Oh, there, it's coming out. Oh. Perfect. Okay, well that was definitely clogged. Next toilets, I guess. We're basically plumbers now.